anase ye hwe team a ye from say eye McDiema omo empenifo in fact omo coach Ibrahim Tanko ye no edin komo awo eye amane so ni nyina ne say afi 2025-2026 Ghana Premier League season no aka one game ni abo awie de but sisi e ka say Asimidiema omo na agi the Ghana Premier League no DSC omo na so ye no omo coach Ibrahim Tanko na edin komo ene anopay. Coach Otumika, good morning.
Good morning. Okay.
Na what to say?
Yeah, nyame adom.
Nyame adom ho ya yenso ye ho ye ewo Kumasi, but before kra yabako eye nkomo no so no mami ngina ye na mu na yenkasa congratulations. In fact onde eye omrante no makonkoden pa because we said the media mam start league no even at a point said the na result in koyi ni adeba ni nemu no matimi age eye league no ebra aka one game ansa na yetimi e the league no so aba na wi nti ayebo aba so na no pay
me da sita
na coach chamfoni ni kire yen say a long season said there one kasa me kan say mo bo game wi na o kano so we chamfoni no a league no ne start to end the hour they agi me said there are a lot of challenges it drew maybe no result no crown money a day season na kasa in general obekan say
me da sita fair akonye ati for ni na no credit this season that with means agree kind of called Abidjan and I bought because training class and from our standard the season I think most of the clubs for a couple of okay, 99 for until no hereby a tournament acquired for preparation. Yes, World Cup. That was some. You know that one, and please, you know, get me
hello, coach.
Yes, sir.
It seems as a online breaks view a breaking kakra kabinti. So we betimi adan ho kakra bia ma me nanka wato aso dia ma me a. I see there.
Okay. You know, they can start with the pre-season or Abidjan, the best one who was a World Cup. I was summer boy. You call a friend league and your first league match against I think Young Apostles. But that time you were born was on. And so from that first match, I think throughout season, you know, first, second, I doing that course, you know, to make I think 17 on basis. But after that, you know, John, family Kamara Dean, very, very important. At that time, not on any league goal scoring, you know, my turn no call, you know. The challenges there 5 matches now and you know after some few games you know at least you know they are seeing an more for also a better more crack to me the one game before the end of the season.
Oh, okay. Now say Obaka say in a nutshell no season no na aye on and off drew maybe a near money ya na a result na sha say na say e depe kakra but ni na mu no utimi kika near mabu ma mo di agi league no.
Yes, any kind. I after say Tom Kamara no ko 5 games without a win. No na at least you know me see say technical team they playing body ni na no yeah because keep you cool because you say football this is na ATBC you know Bako and fight here at the end team league.
Okay, now coach timer na result number no minim dia na okache mrante na all of a sudden afei na me dia ma sign aso mu jana mu games na mu wura mu na result na ese mu nya obu no mutunya dia na wo ka kire mrante na afi the result na sha say ba.
Well, I think I believe because morning say start then I make a considering games and you know there is no way equality, a question of quality. And you know even the last game you say no in my video analysis, you know the matches are boy highlight and then you go to a share, you know, and then the picture because sometimes people don't know or they do more than say when it passes. So I'm sure and I can't show this is your game. Now my boy yeah say we are good team and then me sure say can Emma or motivation because money to my bigger. You're trying to say difficult each time now within short time. You know, no so boy. It seems like you are moving.
You know, so rest season na a show team so person de mediama a league, you know, but at what point game Baina Mediama Bowie one Kasa Ibrahim Tankwas, the coach of Mediama. Everybody say sad result we are many. I think league and I can win it.
Yeah, and Ukraine say most of the matches funny equal. They are funny say boy against and I go against all blacks and I prepare all the games in the seriousness. And you know results are I'm sure say because of our determination and I'm funny said league in equal definitely the win against the direct opponent, you know, and then my who say you are 70%, 80%, they are good through. And the last game against Basakeli Stars, I mean, because now there were two away matches, between Chelsea and Basake. Now, at least if I say win one of them, unfortunately, they come Chelsea and they call winning Basakeli Stars. And so if it says how did the enemy Basakeli Stars game, my
I feel I do a video na to high in Shawanzo 4.5. Yene Mediama head coach Ibrahim Tanko and Edin Komo aba say league na ka one game but omo age and so ade asi omo and as minimum ayala wo question bi na
oh of course
we are na no two questions bi
go Tanko awala no say me want some few questions bi
okay
ade I want coach ayala my first question for you personally moving from Accra Lions now Okwakoje Mediama Jumano, you know the two clubs, you know the difference in expectations, you know. Again, I inform you, Coach Ibrahim Tanko. Emma, I need you to say I will go for the Mediama job with the expectations say higher a year. Say me agile, you know.
I think first of all, President Moses Parker. Fine way back, and there was a time now professor technical director, but that time I engaged. But you can say, how war the team or not. Mention who you know, definitely so far, I think I did go Ghana football, and I. The question is support I mean now or the money and decisions I mean yeah as a coach me taking off me take care or backing so maybe say part of reason me call or influence in the drama because maybe say help from the management maybe the so no park and so maybe say make my come on you know one of the reasons call.
Oh, okay, coach. Here follow season no. Edru maybe na fe obi ya agya to say as a Mediama was the best team Ghana Premier League in terms of balance any key players be performance. But Nkofo said how you put this team together. In brief, you know, how did you put this kind of Mediama team together? What's Mediama G League, you know?
And I say, when you say as a former footballer, please me, the and the call it's a good football, and the type of players we here to play good football. And say, me as example, become a midfielder. This is a fully player na me ne na wa Accra Lions na me de ne ba obi ti say Jacob the center back one so na or Accra Lions before say o two kwan call China and or back and me de ne ba Salim Adams na obi anim maybe I know and I want to me de ne ba nti me normal you in fairness in addition yeah no based on positions I'm say because last year na Prince Owusu Emmanuel Owusu and then Yusuf Mubarak our captain now Fatah Suleiman now and share every positions I was at least here and and I avoid so good and we produce 4 national team players Emma Blackstar within this season. I know you say Juma Pai any Kuala Lumpur dedication because we're money and our money say coach our money here Jumano or no go by his principle so we are good and now we are the friend is saying who might be our training now who say we get our best for them our or no one found say we are one and you know this is a strategy now maybe share more so I was strategy because we 100% so beside or some of the players now every week I mean, yes, you also be then you have because of the selection. Based on the trainer, who are now one or from one a bit now. If it's a crew, any believer, maybe share or more, and almost be share more, and it's a few additions and my team very strong.
Coach Ominuze Obia Etro this season, the story of the Mediama Ewini Premier League now for years to come. Obia Nuha Obeyi Salim Adams any how was ya revive your brand specifically team nim and the impact of the Mao this season Emma with me course G League ebi mumpo say he should be voted the best player Premier League nim this season. How did you do it, especially with Salim Adams as a player? What me revive your brand and they wababe superstar on the local scene, sir.
Anyway, Madam, since all of our U17, U20 with Coach Karim and you own them to say, Mibra Kuala, Abdusalam Yakubu. And I say, one soon near Medinico, a tournament U23, the last one I call Morocco, Medinico, empty minimum minimum what he can do, and a minimum time I was a pushing. In all, no, the manager, as you say. Talent, so we on one family will do a map because I'm a talent. I also ultimately yes, he was certainly worth it. So when we get it, you want to football and the Zimmer Park and so say we are in the living line and say no, but at least in the Kushi no man, and also yes, the Mama team and all no, then strength with his free case, with his power and all these things. You know, he said, "Oh, yeah, and so Susan, the Suban Kakra." So, no, advice players me, I or no one player piano. I was old person who called me, I was say, who sacrifice you. Oh, to me, we are the old one, and I will say, oh, better anytime soon. And you know, they say, well, no, or play part because at the end, no need nothing. So, say one penny, the car, when you are not the children, no, say one man, yeah, we one big one, and one also play part to more to the big group. Coach
Salim, o deserve player of the season for Ghana Premier League, no?
So I think he deserves it because we share the performance. And not even me, I think other coaches me now no interview or more, and who guys there's no doubt, yeah.
My last question, Coach. So say Media Magic League, the preparation tends to next season any Africa, the Champions League more ebeko. Coach Ibrahim Tanko and the Media ebeko Africa. Na say also na do omukwa. What should Ghana football expect from Media African campaign under you?
Well, for now, and I say, definitely in the Champions League, and Kuala stage, you are going to see a lot of big countries, big clubs, definitely preparation. And I maybe I'm a could be that in terms of experience, team will be. And I finish and say at least I will say Bifu squad in Kakra, saying a maintaining standard, no, high. And yet, 100% sure say in the park of complaint, I'm a guy, saying there into some of the slot, I can't hear the home.
Mr. Richard, na me say me coach there na me say me last question but ka beti me answer we am me enche Carlos Cruz in the squad for the Blasters ever. Do you expect some medium players to make the squad now?
Oh yes, Sunday me kind we produce at least 4 this season, but Kamara Dean your prince who's Kevin Nkrumah, who is really doing well, and also Salim Adams. So me 100% sure, and I hope me person maybe pressure me be more me did play and me Salim Adams me did original here can even Kevin Nkrumah so only performance I hope to be a friend unfortunately ko anyone now but to cover the performance top and and Premier League player bia obenyo kwan akobiano and we sure more good luck who say everything aboa say na be league in Super Coast.
Coach, you jam work na the program say Ayala they no specific on medium players o hwe no say bia call up na players e don boko akobo World Cup no almost betimi